Yo, YouTube, we back with another video, man. Y'all tuned into the Big Funyuns channel, of course. This is one of the greatest channels here on YouTube. You may not know it yet, but I know it. Let me show y'all why we do what we do. So recently, or not recently, Bitcoin in November of 2022 saw its low before its uptrend of 375%. We are currently still in this longer term uptrend. We are looking at a correction now that has just started maybe 2 weeks ago as we failed to break above 70K once again after touching it several times. We failed the 60K area, which was holding as strong support, as you can see here on the daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, but broke down during the 6 times. The sixth time having 2 deviations below where we thought price was going down, but ultimately ended up recovering. Now we're going to test this. Hopefully we'll test this 60K area as resistance. If we don't test it as resistance, it could potentially turn into support, but just due to the amount of times that we try to stay above the 60K area, the likelihood of us reaching back above 60K and holding right now is kind of slim. That leaves us to, again, like I said, testing this area as a resistance line, and then ultimately I do see further downside in Bitcoin's future. Now, if you look previously and just see how Bitcoin reacted towards the 60K level once it was under, as you can see here, boom. I know it's not completely there. It's at 58, which is still close enough to 60K. But I'll count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times that we tested this area as resistance here on the longer term time frame. So will this be the 6th time? I don't know. I'm not able to read the future, but that's what the market is telling me. That's what I'm looking at right now. If I scroll down even closer to the 4-hour, I can see that, okay, we got some resistance lined up just to what I'm seeing right here, the 60K area. The fear and greed index isn't looking too bullish right now, meaning that it was at a 17 in the day before. In the next 2 minutes, the daily will close, meaning that we'll have a new number. All these lines right here just represent support, and we are able to grab some support here, as you can see. Even on the daily though, this is extremely bullish, in my opinion, at least for this area. It's telling me that as of right now, there's a lot of buying in this area. Now, will this buying be strong enough for us to get back above 60K? I'm not sure. Right now, it's not really a trading opportunity ahead of us right now or in front of us. Mainly, we will have to wait. So in the meantime, we just gotta watch the markets and just see what it does. If we scroll over here to the S&P 500, we finished another green day today. We got all the way up here, touched up here, but as you can see, it looks like we met a bit of resistance and ended up dropping all the way back down. Will we break this level? I'm not sure yet. We will have to wait for a couple more tests, a couple more candle closes just to see how price wants to react. The NAS 100 still looks bearish. Looks like we started a downtrend. We broke support here, and looks like we retested it here in the previous daily candle. We might be seeing some further downwards action, downward price action, maybe to this support level here, or it looks like we already got it at 17K, but we eventually bounced up. Now, will we test this area again? It looks like that is likely to happen. As you can see with the Dixie, we bounced off, or it looks like we started to bounce off the support level that's starting here around the 102, 103K, 103 area. Yeah, and hopefully this would, just provide some support in the short to medium time frame for the dollar. We already looked at Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum. Man, this is crazy. Ethereum completely dropped out of our range that we have set. So with that being said, we can kind of mark new lines just off what I'm seeing right here, this looks like a support line, just how fast price was able to recover. So I'm going to mark that off. It looks like it lines up right here at the 2.1K area. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw a line right here. It's like, okay, cool. Not really right here. Turn that bad boy white. Yeah, that's what I see on the daily. If I scroll to the weekly, 9 times out of 10, it'll line up as well, right? Yeah, mainly all this right here is what we're looking at. You can also, boom, throw in this right here. Looks like once it tested above here, it tried to get back above, but ultimately ended up as resistance, continued towards the downside. You got a lot of wick, a lot of heavy price action right here. So this is interesting, but for right now, this looks like a key level at 2.15K. 2.15K. That might be the nearest zone that I'm looking at as far as support. Since we're below, I can kind of see this range right here as resistance, as kind of like a midterm. It's not giving me much, but I'm gonna rock with it. Looks like we're right there. Like we're right there on it. We're right there on the prize. Scroll down to the daily. I might be able to reclaim this level and hold this level as support. In the meantime, this is resistance. We can get rid of this. We can get rid of this box. We can get rid of this high. We can also get rid of this until it decides to break above. Once it breaks above this, our previous range low, then we might be in good shape. But in the meantime, we're just gonna chill out. We're gonna chill out right here in this line that we drew, this area that we drew. And remember, price doesn't always have to come to the line. It's really an area. Right now, this is Ethereum, so it's kind of broader support and resistance zones. So if I was to just mark it off, I'll say I see a lot of closes here, so I'll start there. I see a lot of closes here, so I'll just branch it off there. So that's kind of what I see if I was just to mark it like that. So take this, boom. So it looks like we're testing resistance now. If we break above, start to consolidate here, might be able to push into this next area right there. Let me draw another one for you. I'll kind of do it around the closes. Boom, 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 boom. That's what I see. That's what I see right now. Right? That's really it. I just wanted to do a quick video for y'all, just show y'all what we're working with here on crypto. Again, not really a lot of moves to make. Not a lot of stuff that we can do right now, guys. Not a lot of stuff we can do. Command Z. I'm going to draw a line right here just because I like this area a little bit here on the 4 hour. I'm going to get rid of this box. Hold on. Boom. I don't know if I really like this box, so I'm gonna get rid of that. We're also going to draw this support line here for a second. That's what I see. Boom. I like that area. I like this area right here as support. Is this potentially an area? In the meantime, it just might be. So we're gonna draw this here. Looks like little midterm 4 hour support. And yep. It's kind of what I see. Kind of what I see right now. Draw another one. Boom. Boom. Take that. Put that there. Yo. So we got our levels like marked off. We good. We good. If we see it on the daily, we got a lot of support, different support areas. I know it may seem like much, but I don't know if it's. I'll take some of these shorter time frames, like keep that, keep that, keep that. Yeah, I'll probably keep those for now. Yeah. This is what I'm saying, guys. Oh, still going. Hey, y'all have a good one. I'm gonna tune back in, check back in with y'all. Y'all be easy. I'm gone.